Hello and welcome to the Coding Bytes. I am Abhishek Parmar, and in this video we will solve a question which is left rotate array by 1. So in this question, as you can see, the input is an array containing 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For the example, we have taken 5 elements, but this array can contain any number of elements. And as you can see in the output, the first element which was at the 0th index has been moved to the last index, and all the other elements have been shifted to their previous index. So this is all what we have to do, and the time complexity to solve this problem is big O of n, and the auxiliary space is big O of 1. This question has been asked in MakeMyTrip and other companies also. So let us look at the algorithm first. So as you can see, there are 4 steps. So the first step is we have to copy the first element of array to a temporary variable so that we can use it later. Now after this, we have to iterate over the array and we have to copy every element to its previous index except the first element. That means we will start from the second element and we will copy all the element to its previous index. And at the end, what we have to do is we have to copy the value of temporary variable to the last index of the array. So we have to follow these 4 steps and we have to solve this problem. So now let us have a look at the dry run of this algorithm. So in the first step, what we are doing is we are simply copying the first element of the array, which is 1, to the temporary variable temp. Now after this, what we have to do is we have to copy all the elements to their previous indexes except 1. So we will start from the index 1 and we will copy this 2 to its previous index, which is 0. Now after this, in the third step, as you can see, we are copying 3 to its previous index, which means 3 was present at this index 2 and we are simply copying this value to index 1. Similarly, at the step 4, we are copying 4 to its previous index. So we are copying this 4 from index 3 to index 2. Now after this, one more time we will do this for the last index, which is 4th index. So this time we will copy 5 from index 4 to index 3. Now once we copy all the elements to their previous indexes, the last thing is to copy the temp value to the last index. So remember, we have copied the value of first index to the temp variable. So now we will copy the value of temp variable to the last index of the array, which is 4th index. So our array will look like this. So this is how you can left rotate the array by 1, and the time complexity of this particular algorithm will be big O of n. Now let's have a look at the code. So as you can see, this is a very simple code. So this particular function takes an array as argument and n, which is the size of the array. And inside this particular function, the first line is int temp equals to ARR of 0, which means we are copying the value of index 0 to temp. And after this, we have this for loop, and inside this for loop, I is starting from 1 and the condition is I less than n. So this loop will iterate till I is less than n. Inside this loop, we are copying the each element to its previous index. And at the end, we will copy the value of temp to the last index of the array. So this is the complete solution of this particular program. I hope the explanation was clear. Still, if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you want more such videos, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.